Put the A into AI. Most people see the A in AI and think artificial. But if you want to actually win with this technology, you need to start thinking augmentation. The secret to a successful AI integration is not replacing your talent, it is supercharging it. First, let's start with efficiency. The quickest path to an AI win is targeting the resource drainers. We all have them. Those tasks that are tedious, such as data entry, finding the right document, scheduling, or doing basic sorting. Time-consuming, sifting through endless documentation and many versions of documents. Non-value add. Necessary tasks that do not actually move the needle on strategy. The ripple effect of augmentation. When you use AI to handle certain tasks, you are not just saving time, but you can transform your culture. Humans work better when they are not exhausted by monotony. AI can provide the data to help you track what is actually working. Employees get to do the human parts of their jobs, such as creative problem solving, relationship building, and strategic thinking. The bottom line, do not build a robot workforce, build an augmented one. Focus on efficiency first, and the excellence will likely follow along with ROI. A is for accelerate, amplify, assist, augment the work that matters.